What's up, Benefam? It's time to take our brows from now to wow with some of the newest members of the Precisely My Brow family. Starting off with the GOAT, use your shade of Precisely My Brow Pencil to brow map the brow. This will show us exactly where we need to use the products. Once you've got your line exactly where you'd like it, flip the pencil over and blend out any harsh lines in an upward direction. This will help complete the look later. Now that we've got the shape, it's time to fill, and we're filling with Precisely My Brow Wax. Choose a shade slightly lighter, as this brow wax is pretty pigmented. Choosing a lighter shade here will help create an overall more believable brow. And now for my favorite part, it's time to add in those details using Precisely My Brow Detailer. Here, we're choosing a darker shade, as this is going to emphasize those hair-like strokes, really bringing believability to the entire brow. And there you have it, Benefam, a believable brow featuring the newest members of our Precisely My Brow family.